Now, what we have here is this afternoon at around 3 p.m. In here is a very bright white dot, but it's within this glare here. When I first saw it, it was up here at 1 o'clock. About here. I thought I saw it yesterday at sunset, but was further away. Then we see the area as it's coming down. This is normal. And then a little later you can see a glare at the shape of this here has come out, and this is a little later, 5 minutes, and that seems to be more bulbous. And what had happened was it was up here. By the time I drew everyone's attention to it, it was down to 3 o'clock, which that was about 5 minutes before they could find it. And then they couldn't see it, another could, and then it was down here at 4 o'clock by the time I last saw it, and going in that direction. So it was either doing this, which I doubt, but it does appear to be going in that direction, and this is a setting sun, so it sets into the sunset naturally. This is later on, and I'll give you some idea what it would have been down here and possibly gone, but it's still in the glare, so I still try to capture it with this, and I'll just go through, and you'll notice if we go back, see the glare width? Go back a bit further. Now, okay, we'll go back the other way. Now watch the glare width. It's still doing the same pulsing that it's been doing ever since I first picked it up in Nehemiah. See the width of it now? It's out to here. It's going down, of course, and then we're losing it. So I expect that whatever we saw, it's certainly a very large, bright object. Now, looking at this here, just zoom in, give you some idea of perspective. Okay, go back a couple hours, it was up here, this was up here, but in relationship to where I saw it, I first spotted it here, just inside the glare, and I couldn't see it. So what I did, I took binoculars, or a telescope rather, turned it, adjusted it for focus, and then turned it over. And that's how, because what happens is this glare seems to be eliminated. You can still see the little black spot, but this time in my eye I could see the black spot, but other people can only see it as white here. In any case, it moved down in that direction. Would have been here at 1 o'clock. Now, it appeared to be about here somewhere. This is the north in that direction. So, as it got down to 3, it was about here, then it was down to here. Now, taking that as one width, go out 6 widths of the sun, you're looking about right. Somewhere in this vicinity it would have been. However, the width of it would have been as wide as 1/4 of the sun. Now the only other thing that's bigger than that is the moon, which is not overhead at the moment, and it's certainly not glowing, it's almost dark. And this here was very, very, as bright as the sun. So it started there, right down there. Now, if you're in Germany, you should be seeing it very, very shortly at sunrise. It's on the way, so it's revolving around the Earth like a moon.